Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up SurveyMonkey data to update your app backend. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your SurveyMonkey account. Navigate to the My Surveys section to find the survey you want to work with. Select the survey to open its overview page. Click on the Collect Responses tab to access collection methods. Choose a collection method that suits your needs, typically web link or email. Once selected, copy the web link provided for the survey. Open your backend application development environment. Locate where your application handles survey data integration. In the backend, create a new data endpoint for SurveyMonkey responses. Set up an API client to interact with the SurveyMonkey API. Authenticate your API client using your SurveyMonkey API key. Access the SurveyMonkey API documentation for endpoint information. Identify the endpoint for retrieving survey responses. Use the copied web link from SurveyMonkey for incoming data requests. Implement a function in your backend to handle incoming survey response data. Map the structure of the survey responses to your application's data model. Create a database table or structure to store the survey responses. Test the connection to ensure data is received correctly. Monitor the data flow from SurveyMonkey to your application. Adjust your backend logic as necessary to accommodate data changes. Consider implementing error handling for any unexpected data formats. Review and validate the stored data for accuracy. Ensure that your application can display or use the survey data as intended. Document the entire process for future reference and updates. Regularly check for updates in the SurveyMonkey API that may affect your integration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.